guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use 12 beads to do a bow. Yes, you can use pearl crystal for the bow, but I'm using pearl. I have my pearl here and I have my fishing line. I have my earring hook, because when we are done with the bow, we use it to do earring. First, you cut your thread. Make sure you cut enough thread. Then you put 3 on the thread. Put 3. This is it. Then you interlock with 1. This is it. Then we'll go ahead and put 1 here, put 1 here, and interlock with 1. We'll put 1 pearl on each of the thread, then interlock with 1. Then we'll still put 1 here, put 1 on the other side, and interlock with 1. So this is how it will look. So we'll now put another 1 here and another 1 here, but this time around we are not interlocking with another 1. Instead, we'll pass it here to the first pearl. So this is it. Then this rope, I'll pass it into the first pearl. You pass it and tie it very well. Make sure you tie it very well. Can you see that? Can you see that? So now I will go ahead and pass the rope round. I'll pass the rope round. So this is it. After passing it, I cut off the rope. I cut the rope, the thread off. So this is it. This is how it looks. So now I will use this ball to do a simple earring. We have to cut another rope. Cut another thread. Then this time around I'm using a bigger pearl. As you can see. Can you see? Then the rope, I will pass it into another bigger pearl, the 2 thread. I'll pass it into another. I've passed it. Then this time around I'll pass it through a smaller pearl. So this is it. Can you see that? Can you see that? After passing it through the smaller pearl, I'll go ahead and put the earring hook Then tie it very well. Then when I'm done tying, I'll pass the rope through this, then pass it round. I'll do the same thing to this rope, pass it through here, then pass it round. After that, I'll cut off the rope.